Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from work and I wanted to show you guys my, this is like a new thing for me. It's like a tea subscription. So it's called Sipsby. And the reason why I wanted to try this was because I saw a post on Instagram and they just seemed really interesting. So I'm new to the whole tea bandwagon, I guess you could call it. So I wanted to try these guys out. So without further ado, let's get started. So there we go. So you open it up like so, that, and I guess this is their October teas. So, and before you like sign up, you have to like take a quiz to let the people know that you what kind of teas you like. So this is just what I like. I prefer loose teas, just because I don't know. I just prefer them that way. So, ooh, what's this? So in this white tin right here, it's Citizen Tea. Let's see. Exotic berries oolong. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Can I open it up? There we go. Ooh, that smells nice. And it's just like a loose tea that's in there, so I wonder if there's directions. I like the container, it's really nice. So that's the first thing. And then this is flower pot. Oh, so I'm guessing you put this on top of like a diffuser thingy, mabobber. Ooh, it smells good, whatever it is. Oh. Yeah, so it was just in this wrapping. I don't know if you like put this in hot water, then you like stir it. I don't know. I'm gonna put it back in its wrapper so it doesn't get all messed up. Huh. Okay. There we go. The next thing is in this little satchel. Little thing right there. So, oh, they're tea bags, okay. Oh yeah, so if you want, you can just put the loose leaf tea in here and then just steep it. So that's good to know. Alright, that's awesome. If you hear my dog snoring, that's why. So that's cool. Next thing is another satchel. And this is, it says Best Buy December 25th. Okay. blueberry acai. So let's see what's in here. If I can open it. There we go. I'm like struggling to open it. Sell my life right there. Oh, okay. So I'm guessing they're just little yeah, I'm gonna have to read up on what these are. This is what they look like. They're like little blueberry. Oh wait, maybe these are the compressed tea things that you just put in hot water and you stir it. Cannot wait to try that. The next thing in here is milk oolong. Creamy, smooth, and crisp. And this is loose leaf tea, by the way. That's so cool. Yeah. I might have to try that after this video. And there's a couple cards in here. So it says, yeah, so what was in here, it's by Tea Drops. So you just drop it in your, in 8 ounces of water, and you just stir it, and that's it. So that's awesome. So it literally just says pour, drop, and enjoy. So this is something new I'm also trying as well. I love the concept of tea drops because you don't have to worry about like steeping it or like having to worry about any of that. So I love that idea. So that is my little Sipsby unboxing. I'm gonna go try one of these blueberry acai tea drop things, and I will let you know how I like it. And yeah, so that is everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.